And to be honest, he might be deserved because his high top was atrocious,
Woo!
which no one should have this on their head,
Oh
let
my
alone witness
goodness.
it. Which, back on topic, I'm gonna keep it a bit short for Kash Dami because I already talked about him about like 2 times in 2 other videos. Go watch those if you haven't. But
Oh, there is another person. Now, I don't know if he's going to name that nigga. Another nigga that was also forgotten in 2021 was Young Chris. But if he gets to that nigga, we'll talk about him too.
after 2021, people basically just got tired of his sound, and he wasn't really doing much evolution with his sound, you know, over the past couple years, which led to his downfall. But nowadays, he still makes music, not as much as he used to, but he still drops music consistently.